Hey guys, on today's video we're going to be unboxing this iPhone right here, which is a really good iPhone. And yes, this is the iPhone 13. Now keep in mind, it doesn't really matter how many gigs an iPhone is. Everything inside the box will actually be the exact same thing as where if you're getting a standard iPhone or an upgraded one with more storage in it. Same goes with the colors. They're just different colors, but everything inside the box will actually be the exact same. Now around the box itself, there isn't much information. There is some information on the back of the box where it's gonna tell you the serial number, and it's also gonna tell you which phone it is. Anyways, let's just open this up. Now back here, I have this little thing to take out. And there's another little tab up here. And we're just gonna take out the phone. So here it is. Now let me just clean this up so I can just focus on the phone itself. Now here's the phone. Let's just slide it out. On the back, there's just the cover. I'm gonna take that off in a second. Now make sure this is just an unboxing video, so we're gonna see exactly what comes inside the box, but that's about it. We're not gonna see anything else. If you guys want to see this phone in action, the review or the setup video, I do have separate videos for that. Again, right now you're just gonna see exactly what you get inside the box. I know a lot of people are very curious about that, so let's just keep going. Just gonna put this on the side for now, the phone. You do get some cables. Now these are your standard cables. And yes, it's USB-C. We no longer get the brick, so you're gonna have to find a way to charge it up. So you can hook it up to your computer, or you can buy a brick for it. But yes, Apple no longer puts that inside the box. You also notice that there's no headphones. So they used to give you headphones, they used to give you a brick, but since iPhone 11, I think they stopped. I might be wrong, maybe it was from the iPhone 10. Not 100% sure when they stopped, but yes, they stopped giving those out. Now this pin right here, this is very important. I actually already lost my old one, and this is for your SIM card. So if you want to take out your SIM card, putting a new one, you're gonna need that. So I'm just gonna put that there so I don't lose it. There's just standard stuff, your Apple sticker that comes with all your stuff. Just gonna put that back. I usually just put this back all the time so I don't lose parts. Other than that, right now what you're looking at is everything you get inside the box. There isn't anything more. It's just pretty much a cable, which I'm gonna take out right now. So this is the type of cable that you get with your iPhone, and yeah, it's USB-C, which is a good thing. And then we have the standard plug to your iPhone. So you could use this with older generations as well. Obviously not this end, but this end, yes. So again, right now you're looking at everything we get inside the box, which basically is just your phone plus a cable. Inside here is just instructions like you saw. I'm just gonna put that box on the side, and here's the phone. So it's very easy to get smudges over it, which is kind of bad. But yeah, the camera, you might notice the big difference between the Pro and this guy, the iPhone 13, because it only has two lenses, right? They're pretty big though, so they've gotten a lot bigger. Now right here on the bottom, you're gonna notice you just have the hookup. So that's where you charge it. And on the sides, you're gonna have right here, you can mute your phone, like so. You have your volume keys. Your SIM card will go in there. Now your SIM card is not an SD card. You cannot expand the storage on iPhones, any iPhone. And on the other side, this would be to lock your screen plus a power button. So this acts as two things. And of course, let's just take a look at the camera itself so you guys can see right now. Here's a quick close-up. We've got the flash, we've got a sensor, and right here we have the two lenses. But that's pretty much it for the phone itself. There's nothing else around it. Now I don't like to take this out unless I have a screen protector, and my screen protectors haven't come in yet. However, I'm gonna take it out just for you guys. So I'm gonna have to take it out anyways for the setup video. Which again, for my setup video, it's gonna suck that I don't have my screen protector. I don't like to get even tiny scratches on my screen. So that's why I'm very picky about taking this out or not. But again, if you guys wanna see this phone in action, make sure to check out the review and the setup video for this phone. I also want to mention that I do have a manual that shows you exactly how these phones work and how you guys can take advantage of all that this can do. So make sure to check out that manual for this phone for sure. Other than that, that would be it for this video. Anyways, if you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.